Hey everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how my coaching center Gpat tutorial helped me crack Gpat. At first I was very skeptical if I should join a tuition or not, but since I was not getting the desired results in my semester exams, so I thought that I really should join a center. And after joining, all my concepts got clear. I could solve MCQs and everything changed for the better because we were given sets like these for regular studying. Then we were given class notes which I used to take down in my notebook, and then we had these special exams every week. It has some special questions from each topic, so the preparation was quite good. And my teacher, Mr. Miltu Kumar Ghosh, he started this coaching center and he teaches pharmacology really well, and that is how now I have started loving pharmacology after being taught by him, because he gets to the root of each mechanism of action which intrigues your interest. And I even had great help in named organic chemistry reactions which I was taught in Gpat tutorial, and I'm really thankful to all my teachers that taught me over there. And overall it was a great experience, and without it I don't think I would be able to get such a good rank, because in this world filled with distraction you need some kind of motivation or guidance to study, with which Gpat tutorial provided.